Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Insight. So I'm going to tell you about how to buy a free RDP server. Firstly, open the search browser. Then write free RDP server and then you see rdphostings.com. Tap rdphostings.com and you see a website 100% free RDP server. Scroll down and you see solo server and expert server. In the solo server, you get the Linux operating system, and in expert, you get the Windows operating system. Then tap to the expert server and you see an expert server page. Scroll and tap to get started now. And then click sign up now then. Enter host name, whatever you want to write, and press enter. Then fill your proper credential details with genuine email ID. Don't use fake email ID and fill all details which are given there. Fill all the details properly. And then add password, then verify and hit complete order. Then your server order is complete. Check your email for verification. And remember, verification is very important. See, like this, you got email verified. And when you verified, you get another email. In your email, you get your server, login details. And for password, click the link and you see your dashboard here where you get proper details like hostname, username, password. And then open your remote desktop, which is in your PC. And for Mac user, you download Windows Remote app and see add PC here. In this PC name, you fill your host name, which is given you, and then fill username expert, which is given you, and then add password, which is given you, and then hit enter and wait for 2-3 seconds to connect. And here is your Windows RDP is login. Enjoy a free RDP services and support me for making more informative video like this. Please subscribe my channel Tech Insight and like, comment please. Thank you.